Welcome to the Kitchen Utensil Tablescape Sunday, hosted by the fabulous me, myself, and DIY Miss Tammy, and co-host Diva Dynasty. Alright everyone, this is the finished product of my kitchen utensil tablescape. What I did like a little layering. I have a mini mixing bowl. Then I have a clear pie pan. Then I actually have a dishcloth that I actually trimmed in diamond wrap, and I'm using as a placemat. And I also have my mason jar with ice cubes in it, my DIY ice cubes. Then right here I made a 2-tier stand. The top part is a stove covering. Then I have my mixing bowl right here. Then this is the neatest part, I think. I took a cooling rack. See, I cut a small piece of the cooling rack to make a smaller little rack that I'm using as a stand. Then I trimmed the rack inside of bling wrap. Then I made my own little 3-piece stand. It's really cute. Put that back like it was. And right here for my centerpiece. I also have the stove covering, and I also have a cake stand in a deviled egg container, a glass one, that I use to layer and make a centerpiece. I really love this stove covering. I like how it has like the grapes and the wine glasses to make it real classy. And right here, same thing, my mason jar for my cup, and I have my mixing bowl, my mini mixing bowl, my clear pie pan, and I also have my dishcloth as my table mat. So this is just a quick overview of my kitchen utensil table. This was a little tricky tablescape, everybody. I loved it, but Miss Tammy really made all of us think outside of the box, and I love that. I love accepting the challenge and performing, and I really like how this tablescape came out. It looks really good. Thank you so much for tuning in to this Tablescape Sunday, the Kitchen Utensil Tablescape. I really enjoyed doing this tablescape. Thank you to our host, Miss Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing it. Also, her fabulous co-host, Diva Decorating, Miss Jordine, Mysterious Alberta, Miss Alberta, and even Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Miss Lynn, Cynthia She So Bless, Miss Cynthia. Thank you all so much. All of these wonderful ladies' links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this Tablescape Sunday. Make sure you check out the playlist after you leave my video. Make sure you show love and support to all the fabulous ladies that have participated in today's Tablescape Sunday. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are not a part of my family, I would love to have you. Please join my family. Connect down in the comments below, and I will get back with you. And as always, thank you for watching.
Wow.